think we were all on board about who the character was. You know, he needed to start off as a very kind of superficial talk show host, somebody who deals with, you know, just kind of the lowest level of celebrity gossip. Improvisation with these, at least with these guys, is very communal. There's writers sitting behind the monitor. There's Seth on set in front of me for most of the scenes, and then Evan, you know, right there too. And so when something starts to, you know, when a line or an idea or a motif or a theme starts to kind of start recurring or bubbling to the surface, you know, everybody kind of jumps on that, and it starts to get layered in throughout the movie. I just love what they do. So like, we're totally in line. Like, I totally trust their sense of comedy and with what they do, and they give me the room to try things, and I know if I try something and it doesn't work, that I don't have to worry about them putting it in. Like, they're only gonna put the best stuff in.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Hey You Guys!
Hey You Guys, huh?
Hey You Guys.
Is that from the Goonies?
It is indeed, yes.
Nice.
Hey